Hello, dear children. How are you all today? Are you ready for a fun and exciting story? Let's begin. In a beautiful green field filled with flowers and soft grass, a little cat named Mittie is playing. She chases a butterfly, but it flies away. Mittie feels a little sad, but then she sees 3 rabbits in the corner of the field. The rabbits are eating carrots and laughing together. Mittie walks up to them and says, "Hello. Can I play with you?" One of the rabbits, named Chinu, smiles and says, "Of course. We're playing a game where we hide carrots and then find them. Do you want to join us?" Mittie jumps with joy and says, "Yes. I'd love to play." The rabbits hide the carrots, and Mittie quickly finds them. Then, it's Mittie's turn to hide the carrots, and the rabbits try to find them. They all laugh and have so much fun playing together. After the game, they sit by a small lake and look at their reflections in the water. Chinu says, "Mittie, you're such a great friend. Will you always play with us?" Mittie smiles and says, "Yes. I'll always play with you. Now we're all friends." They all laugh and run off to play more in the field. Wasn't that a wonderful story, children? If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun adventures. See you next time.